Hey guys, my name is Rishabh Parochi. I'm a self-taught UIUX designer. So recently I uploaded a video about a design challenge that I received for a high-paying internship. For those who don't know what design challenge is, it is basically a design task or a design assignment that a startup or company sent you to test your skill once they shortlist your resume. So in my case, I had to design an image gallery for both web and phone version, also light and dark mode. Also, I had to design a high fidelity prototype to show the whole functionality of the product. They wanted me to record a 5-minute video explaining my design choices, decision, and overall process. So I sent this assignment or design challenge to them, and they sent me the invitation for the first round of interview with the senior designer. And I qualified that round, and after that they sent me the invitation for the second round of interview with the founder of the startup. And I'm happy to say that I have cleared both round of interviews. Instead of that, I also applied for another internship, and they didn't send me any design assignment or design challenge because maybe they like my portfolio. So they decided to send me the link for the interview directly. So as you can see, they sent me the invitation for the first round of interview on 17th August at 11:30 am, and for the second round of interview they sent me the invitation on the same date, on 17th August at 6 p.m. So this shows that they like my portfolio and they like my work and they wanted to get in touch with me as soon as possible. So that is why they sent me the invitation for the second round of interview after a few hours. So I am happy to say that I cleared both round of interview for this internship as well, and both are paying high, both are paying 25K per month. But even though I selected in this internship, I won't be joining any of these internships because the reason behind this is I already completed 3 internships, and I have been selected for a lot of internship, but I choose only the one that suits best for me. And second reason is that I applied for this internship like 1 month ago, and during this 1 month I was looking for the freelance opportunities, and finally I got 2 clients from the USA. For one I'm designing a dashboard, and for another I'm working on his website. So I won't be joining these internship anymore, but yes, I will be uploading more videos related to the internship, like how to get internship, how to prepare for the internship, how to find the internship. I can share whatever I learned throughout my journey to get these internships, what I did wrong, and how I improved myself to get these internships. So maybe my experience will help you guys. The video that I sent on the YouTube about the design challenge, actually this video was recorded for the hiring process, and I sent this video to the startup that I applied for the internship. But I thought that this video would be helpful for other designers, because when I was learning UI/UX, I was really curious to know about the real design challenges that we receive for the interview process, how real interview process goes, and what kind of questions they ask. So I was very curious about this type of content, and I couldn't find this type of content on YouTube. So I thought if I put this real design challenge video, this would be very helpful for other designers. So yeah, that was the reason behind I uploaded this video, but I got a very good response on this video. So thank you so much for everyone who watched this video, and I hope you find this video very helpful and you learn something related to the design challenge that we received for the internship. And in the next video that I will be posting within a week, in this video I will be showing you the real design challenges that I received when I was applying for the internship, so that you guys get a better understanding of what kind of design challenges they sent you when we apply for the internship. So yeah, I will be posting more videos in the future. So yeah, thank you so much guys for watching this video, and I hope you will find my future videos helpful. So yeah, stay tuned and see you in the next video.